So welcome to the entrance of Villa Serendipity, and this is quite a treat for us to see, guys. This is an immaculate property. Obviously lake views. It's at the north end of the lake, so you've got south facing views. Very nicely presented. It's on approximately 4,000 square metre plot. It's all kind of very well looked after, some lovely gardens, lots of expensive trees, and there obviously is the view. Okay, we've got Mount Maroma, and then you've got the Lake Vimuela. Alright, so automatic sliding gate, nice little touch there. Lots of flat area around the actual villa itself, and there's lots of extra outbuildings, including carport for one large vehicle. Again, that's all nice wooden beams. Again, plenty of thought gone into it. There's a nice storeroom here, useful for, oh, that's locked, but essentially it's a good sized storeroom. And then you've got also pump and water reserve, so you've got high pressure water going into the property itself for showers and taps. Okay, so it's got lots of different terraces, some open, some with pergolas, some covered and shaded, but this is essentially the view from the front of the property, which is fantastic. I say, you kind of you've got the mountain to the left, you've got Lake Vimuela directly in front. The access road, as you can see, is all concrete. Okay, and that winds off the main road there by, well, it comes below Los Romanos. Okay, so you've got a really nice kind of attractive property. It's got some nice details with brickwork in the roof line, different pergolas, some arch windows, a glazed terrace here with the glass curtains, and again, huge big wooden pergola, which is a fantastic cool seating area. There you can see inside, there's two of the bedrooms have got access onto this glazed terrace, and again, that is the lovely view, and obviously a great reading area for the winter months. Your privacy is 100%. Okay, there's one or two properties neighbouring, but all on large plots. So this one has got a 7-person hot tub. Okay, it's got the heater in, plenty of jets. They opted against the pool because of maintenance, and they've been very happy with this. It's used all year round. Nice little bar built into the corner there with fridge, granite worktop, and again, lovely shaded and very private terraces. So the nice thing is all of the bedrooms have patio doors coming out onto terraces, whether they be glazed, covered or open. Really nice seating area. So you've got walls that are built around as well. So this is at the back of the property. Again, the back border just goes up to where there's a ditch just before the greenery starts. So it goes right the way along the back there. Very clear. Lots of fruit trees. Nice little seating area around the corner there with the lake view. And then this is the septic tank system, which has all been newly installed. And it goes up to the eucalyptus trees there, so just beyond that line of trees. There's nothing built behind, and then also there's a storeroom here, which you can see, useful for tools and, oh, it's locked again. But yeah, I'm going to say the condition of the property is immaculate. Okay, there's a wood store at the back here for the wood burner that's situated in the lounge. The water is gas heated. There's a boiler there and gas bottles, and then this is the kind of front view and pergola that comes off the main lounge. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Now then, nice light flooring with quite a nice feature. It's quite a different kind of lounge this. You've got the turret, which obviously There's a beautiful feature, all the heat is going to go up to the top there. You've got these nice arched windows, which are all double glazed. And then you've got kind of lounge diner with a separate kitchen at the back there. There's the wood burner, you can see. There's air conditioning all throughout the rooms, 3 bedrooms and the lounge. The kitchen separate. There's fly screens throughout. You know, it's been a nice kind of semi-permanent home for the current owners who are going to be moving to Australia. But yeah, nice, light, bright, and very well built. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. Okay, they've all got fitted wardrobes, which are 1.5 or 2, and then they've all got Panasonic inverter AC. And as you can see, this has got the 2 front bedrooms have access onto the glazed terrace, which leads out onto that lovely terrace where the hot tub is, and obviously out onto that beautiful view. Okay, so that was bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2, it's very similar. They're all double bedrooms as well, with fly screens, fitted wardrobes, the ceiling fan, and the AC. So this is the general shower room. Okay, so you've got a nice, quite big corner shower there with a glass curtain, curved. Again, very good condition. And then this is the master ensuite, which actually has a bath. That could be changed if necessary to a walk-in shower. All in neutral kind of tiles and quite light. So there you got the AC. Wardrobes again, and then this one has got the access onto the lovely terrace. Okay, so this is a new listing. It's Villa Serendipity, and it's currently listed at €350,000. They are open to offers, and certainly it's a unique location with a fantastic view, lots of outbuildings, and lots of privacy as well. So if you want further details on this beautiful property, contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.